make sure I stop smoking for real. And you'll see next year. I'll get an awesome present for you, okay? Ga-young, I swear.
Next year?
Last year you had a birthday. This one came right around, right? And the next one will be quick.
Is that box from my dad? Did he send you here so we could see how I've been doing? Know what you could tell him? That I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Seong Gi-hun has passed away.